and I didn't speak a word of English till the first grade. This proved to be a certain handicap. It was like leaving sort of a kosher womb of the ghetto and moving into the Christian world for the very first time. Example, Miss McGillicuddy, because they were all Irish ladies, sisters of aldermen who needed a job during the terrible Depression, weren't certified to teach, weren't qualified to teach, didn't like to teach, and didn't like children of immigrants, particularly boys, to begin with. And on the very first day of school, my name was called. And I replied in what I thought the other kids were replying. I said, President. His picture was on the wall. The American flag was there. I remembered his picture from the Forwards. And so I knew who the president was and who he looked like. And I thought this is what they did. They did honor to the president when they were sitting in his school. The class laughed. I thought they were laughing with me, not at me, and I laughed. The teacher was very upset with me and stood me in the corner. And from that moment on, I hated education and never did well at school. I was also slightly dyslexic, which was totally not unacknowledged in those days. And so I was considered a slow learner and was left back in first grade. Now you consider a shanda in a Yiddish family. When I came home with a report card I did not understand, which my mother had translated by a nosy neighbor and an older sister who was far superior to me, and learned that her stupid son had been left back. And it was the first and last time she ever struck me.